My friend, this is our school. Are you feeling a little shy? It's okay. School is fun. Let's walk inside our classroom together. This is our classroom. It's safe, fun, and full of smiles. And guess what? My friends are waiting inside. This is the book corner. You can sit and read, or hug a teddy while you listen. Would you like to listen to a story? These toys are just for you. Trains go choo-choo. Puzzles wait for tiny hands. You can sit quietly and watch if you want. This is the art table. You can color when you're ready. What color makes you smile? This is where we eat snack, apple slices, crackers, and milk. We all eat together like a picnic. You can bring your own snack too. This is the music corner. You can listen or sing. Tap a drum, shake a bell, or just smile and listen.
Hi, I am your teacher. I'll help you every day. If you're scared, that's okay. We'll take it one small step at a time.
You don't have to be ready today. Just know our classroom is a happy place, and we can't wait to meet you. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.